Yo, what's up guys, welcome to CodingBot. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a existing repository inside of your account, GitHub account. First of all, you need to log into your GitHub account. After that, you can list your repository list by go to the click on this your profile icon and go to your repositories. Inside the repository you can find your repository as well, and click on the repository which you need to delete from GitHub from your account, and go to the settings. After going to the settings, you have to go to the bottom of the page. After going to the bottom of the page, you can see there is a danger zone, and bottom of that box you can see delete this repository option is here, and click on this delete this repository button, and you have to type this on. I'm going to copy it, select it and copy it and paste it in this input field, and now you can see the deleting option button is activating after typing correctly this press, right? After that, you only have to click on this button. I understand the consequences, delete this repository, and you have to click on this also, and you can see your repository has already deleted from your GitHub account. Inside that repository link, you cannot see anymore your GitHub repository which you are deleted. Thank you for watching guys. I think you got the idea. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos in the future. I will meet you soon in the next video. Bye guys.